Alright, this is going to be a little different video. We are in a Costco store in a different country, specifically Mexico. And what I wanted to show was this. They sell motorcycles here. These are 250cc Ventos, Ventos with the turn signals that are LEDs, a cool dash cluster, a really cool fuel fill, knobby tires, Vento. And I'm trying to figure out the price. I know that the Mexican peso is about 20 to 1 US dollars, so I'm assuming that's $1,900 or $1,500 approximately for one of these. Really pretty cool. And if a dirt bike is not your thing, you can also hop on a scooter, a retro scooter. That's so cool. I love that. And their price, I don't know, I guess about $1,200, I think, is what they're asking for those. Really neat. I wish they sold scooters and motorcycles in our Costco at home. That would be awesome. That looks like a lot of fun. So going through a little more detail on these Costco motorcycles, looking at the headset there, they would have a VIN number, of course. Carbureted. Vento. Hydraulic rear disc brakes. Wonder how many speeds. Kickstart. Pretty simple bike. Really neat. Oh, the ignition is kind of funny. It takes a special key. Wow. Has an alarm. Remote? Is that possible? That would be a fun bike to have around here. I tell you what. That's really tempting. Costco dirt bike. Okay. As an American in Mexico, what do you think about motorcycles that you could purchase in Costco?
I could ride this all over the store.
You could ride it all over the store. Would you want to?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Rock a box?
Can you do a wheelie?
No.
Yeah, I bet you could. Look at that. That'd be a lot of...
2 or 3 people could sit on here?
2 or 3, yep. 2 or 3 people. Yeah, you'd look really good. All right, if you recognize that symbol up there, we're in Walmart in Cabo, Mexico. And not only are the Halloween decorations out, but they also sell motorcycles. That's so cool. They're a bit more expensive at Walmart. What are these? 250s? Super prices. It looks like they're... What are they? Let's see what they are. Monster Sports. I think they're 5 speeds. I think it's Walmart. That's so cool. Oh, but you can get a cheaper motorcycle. Trabajo 125. Those must be 250s. And these are scooters. That is amazing. It's so fun. You can go to Walmart and get a 150 scooter. That's just kind of cool. Very zippy, very fun, very crazy that you can get a Walmart scooter or motorcycle, a dirt bike. Awesome. You bring these to the States. And if the ones out front by the checker stands aren't good enough for you, they have more. So a delivery motorcycle, 125. That's really cool. Little rack on the back. Bright green scooter. What size? It's a 125, and that's a 150, and that's a 150 Sport. All for about $1,300, roughly. I wish we could buy one of these in the States. I'll take one home with me. You know, for a cheap little bike, it's pretty cool. Look at the fuel cap locked. tells you what gear you're in. I don't know if you can see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 140 kilometer speedometer, so that's like 70 miles an hour-ish. Really pretty neat. I'm digging all these scooters. What's the 125 go to? Looks like red line is about 80 kilometers an hour. That's about 45 miles an hour. Pretty neat. I like that.